Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change date format in the Google form. So if your Google form showing up wrong, is the Google date format is showing up wrong, like month, date and year, when you want date, month and year, don't worry, in this tutorial I'll show you how you can change the Google Forms date format step by step. So by default, the Google Forms uses the US date format, month and then date and then year, but for many of us that's confusing, especially if you are used to date, month and then year. Unfortunately, there's no direct date format settings inside the form, but here's the tricks to fix it. First, you can just change the form language settings. So open your Google form and then tap on the three dots icon in the top right in here, and then you can just look for the presentation or general depending on the versions, and after that you can just look for the form language and change it into UK or any language that uses the date format you want. So changing the form language automatically changes the date format for your users. And second method, you can change the Google account language for a form creator. So what you need to do is just go to the Google account settings by going to this page right here, my account and google.com, this one. So once you're in the Google account settings, you can just click on the this one, privacy and personalization, and then you can just scroll down until you find the language settings, or you can just search for it in here, language, this one, in under the personal info you can just find, okay, this one's right here. Now you can just add or set English, UK or your preferred region, and refresh the form and preview it. So you can just add another language in here and then just add it. For example, I'm going to go with UK, English, but UK. This one, you can just tap on save, and you can make them as the preferred language by clicking on this arrow up. And after that, you can just go back to your form and refresh it. And that's it. Now your Google Forms will show the correct date format. If this helped you out, give this video a like, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment if you want a video other tips on Google Forms. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye.